Hello everyone, how are you all? So it's always been a pleasure to me and it's always a fun to me to narrate a story for you all. So here I am with your another interesting story from your book, and that is Tenali meets Babar. Yes, this is gonna be our story which I am going to read it for you all. I'm gonna explain you all, and I'm very sure the way I enjoyed reading out this story, and my whole mind was in medieval period. I was reading here, and my mind was in the medieval period. I can easily visualize all the things that Tenali and Babar, everything is happening in front of me. I remember in my summer vacation, my father used to give me a comics book. In that comics book, we are different funny characters were there. Just like I remember, there was a Sabu, Chacha Chaudhary was there, and also there was a character called Tenali. So when I was going through this chapter, I heard the name and I read the name Tenali Raman. So I was very excited to know that what is in this chapter. You know, Tenali Raman was a very famous personality. Just say आज के time के we called it at the Kapil Sharma. Kapil Sharma is usually very witty, as well as Kapil Sharma is very humorous, means a comedian. Same with Tenali. In the rule of Krishna Dev Arya, he was in the Vijayanagar, he was in his court, and he used to entertain the people. Because this time, if you think, we have so many things to entertain ourselves. We have Amazon Prime, we have television first of all, and we have lots of games, sports and everything. At that time also sports were there, but that was played at a very large level. So usually people especially the courtiers, means the people who are sitting in the royal court as an advisor to the royal king and the queen. So for their entertainment, there used to be a witty person, and there used to be a jester. Jester means someone who involves himself in a verbal comedy, or a comedian, or you can call it who wants to make himself a fool every time. So that is called a jester. So Tenali Raman was the same type of character. So when I was going through the chapter, I named Tenali Raman as our time Kapil Sharma, or you can take, there are many comedians who used to entertain us with their witty jokes. Witty is something which is also very a humorous answer, you can say, or a humorous reply, which is also exact to the point. So Tenali meets Babar. Babar, I think you all know, and in history we have studied about Babar's court and Babar rule period. So, and Babar was really a very much fan of the artist. He used to appreciate the artist. Just like if he finds any good painter, he used to appreciate in his court. So same way he was hearing lot about Tenali's wittiness. So what happened? He sent his messenger to the court, to Vijayanagar court, to Krishnadev Arya ji, to ask about. He wants to meet Tenali, because he was listening so much about Tenali. So he thought of meeting Tenali and want to test his wittiness. That how much is that exactly Tenali is as witty as he was hearing from lots of time about him, or not. So in this story we are going to learn that was Tenali able to impress Babar or not, and how was Tenali's experience, and how was it going in Babar's emperor. So let's find it out. Watch the video till end, and don't forget to write your comments, as well as don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Tenali meets Babur. This is a story in your book to know what was happening in our country in the earlier time in the medieval period. So let's see. Tenali Raman was a famous jester and a poet in the court of Krishna Dev Arya, the king of Vijayanagar. Okay, so the Krishna Dev Arya is the king of the Vijayanagar, and Tenali Raman was a poet and jester. Jester means you can call it a professional joker or a comedian in our language. So he was a comedian as well as he was a poet also in the court of Krishna Dev Arya. Many stories are told of his wit and wisdom. Wit means his cleverness or his humorous sense of humor, about his sense of humor, and wisdom. Read about his adventure at Emperor Babur's court. Okay, so now Tenali is moving to Emperor Babur's court. So we have to learn about his adventure. The tales related to Tenali Raman's intelligence and wit had reached far and wide. This happens usually with all of us when someone becomes famous or when something becomes famous. The news of its fame this thing is famous reaches many far areas. For an example, Guava is famous of Allahabad. Now it is called as Prayagraj. Guava, a fruit, is very famous for of the city Prayagraj. It is famous. So whenever people Prayagraj people when usually travel to other places, people go and ask them that have you not brought the guava from there because the guava is famous. In the same way, there is many things. Lucknow, especially the chicken clothes of Lucknow is very famous. So whatever the thing is famous or whatever the popular people when they are travel to the news of their speciality or the news for of their being famous reached far and wide. In same way, and it happens with Tenali also. Tenali was a very famous comedian as well as poet. So the tales means his story reached Babur's court also. So they also reached the Mughal court in Delhi where Emperor Babur ruled. In Delhi, at that time it was Babur's rule. Hearing about Tenali Raman, Babur wished to meet him and sent a messenger. At that time, the phone was not there, mobile was not there, so people used to send one person as a messenger to the place where they want to send a message. So same way Babur also sent a messenger. When Babur's messenger reached Vijayanagar, Raja Krishna Dev Arya, the ruler, grew apprehensive. What happened when Babur's messenger reached Vijayanagar? Earlier that time there were so many fights were happening just to capture the emperor of each other, just to just to make their dynasties vast. So especially kings used to attack each other so that they can make their dynasties very broad. So that is why Vijayanagar Raja Krishna Dev Arya became so apprehensive, means he became so fearful. He became afraid that he thought that Babur is going to attack us. He wants to rule on us. He thought that the Mughal emperor had sent his messenger to find an excuse to attack his kingdom. The Raja was relieved when the messenger said, "Our emperor wants to meet Tenali Raman." But the Krishna Dev Arya ji got relaxed when the messenger said, "Don't worry, our emperor only wants to meet Tenali Raman. Maharaj, please send him with me to the Delhi court." The Raja agreed. He said, "Tenali, I order you to go with this messenger to the Mughal court and prove your mettle." Mughal court is same as that Babur's court because Babur was the king of Mughals, so it is called as the Mughal. The honor of our kingdom is in your hand. Prove your mettle. Prove your mettle means you have to now prove your worth. You have to prove yourself. Whenever for Tenali Raman was famous for his comedian, for his wittiness, for his for his poetry. So he has to prove all this thing that yes, Tenali exactly has all this thing. Tenali has a humorous nature. Tenali has a wittiness in him. So all this thing he has to prove. So Vijayanagar king said Tenali that you have to prove your mettle, means that you have to prove that why you are famous. Remember, the honor of our kingdom is in your hand. Now Tenali is going to represent Vijayanagar in Mughal court. So that is, the honor is in his hand. If you impress the emperor and get a reward from him, I promise to gift you 10,000 gold coins. Now the Vijayanagar king Devanarya ji said that now you have to, if you have to impress the emperor and get a reward from him. Get a reward means get a prize from him, that if you will impress the Babur, so Babur is surely going to give you some reward, and I will also give you 10,000 gold coins. Tenali replied, I will not let you down, your majesty. Tenali said, I will not let you down. Yes, so I'm going to pause here only so that the excitement should remain with us, that what is going to be in the next part of the story. So you wait for the part 2 of the story, wait for the video to come, and then we will complete the story all together. Thank you.